just collaborating with everyone here. I mean, everybody was just, there was no animosity, there was no I don't want to share, it was the complete opposite. And it was just a great experience to see the collaborative stuff that we did and to hear other ideas and other perspectives. It was awesome, very great.
Even though everybody's from different states, we all have the same background, and that was the connection. The biggest part was to hear just the same family values and the same goals that I have, to hear it from so many different people.